Hi, friends, and welcome to week number 14. So, this is really just a work week. If you've gotten negative feedback on your introduction or your proposal, that's fine. Don't worry about it. Let's go back. Let's make sure you're on the right track. My goal here is to make sure that we don't end up 2 weeks down the road where you've done a bunch of research and then are struggling to put something together. So my goal is to sort of fix those problems up front. And so if I gave you some recommendations to change your topic, to focus your question differently, those sorts of things, that's fine. Let's get that taken care of right now. Okay. So once that is all done, though, our goal here, obviously break our central research question down, just like we did for SA3. What we're going to see is a lot of the work we did in SA3. This is just going to be you practicing it right now. So what we're going to do, break those research questions down. That's due on Monday. And then by Thursday, I want you to start doing some research on those questions. Again, I'm going to try to get you feedback on those questions as soon as I can. You'll see this question, this feedback turnaround should be pretty quick at this point. I'm going to probably be in D2L most days trying to give people feedback. Okay. Complete your research check-in number 1 that is officially due on Thanksgiving. Look, if you want to turn in Friday morning, I'm not particularly worried about it. What I want to do is make sure that you get that research check-in turned in, though, right around Thursday. Okay. As always, if you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know.